Today, we'll talk about the Everdome price prediction for this decade. One of the most crucial things to take into account is the average trading price of a coin. The popularity of cryptocurrencies has been enormous, but for some users, it has also resulted in a loss scenario paradigm. Consequently, as traders and investors are always seeking future prices that are as precise as possible and seeking the answers to these commonly asked concerns, is Everdome a wise financial decision? How much the Everdome cryptocurrency will be valued in 2025, or in 10 years? We will go in depth on both long and short-term cryptocurrency investments. It's interesting that we don't know the answers to things like whether we will invest in Dome or whether Everdome will continue to exist in the next few years. Before moving on to the following issue, let's first discuss the Everdome overview and a brief introduction to this rapidly developing cryptocurrency. Robert Grin, a Polish businessman, developed the grandiose metaverse project known as Everdome. The Everdome, which is still in its design stage, aims to be the most hyper-realistic verse spanning the whole expanse of the metaverse. Some people may be aware of Robert Grin. He is a venture capitalist and the CEO of MetaHero, which has partnered with Wolf Digital World to implement the 3D scanning technology intended to introduce lifelike avatars into Grin's conception of the metaverse. Scalability is a different problem. The unique selling point of Everdome and MetaHero centers on location-specific 3D scanning technology measuring 10 times 10 meters. This may significantly slow down user adoption. Regardless of the project's aesthetic goals, the digital economy that Everdome proposes is comparable to previous metaverse projects in that it focuses on companies searching for a virtual location from which to offer customers their goods. According to Everdome, their goal is to bring people and companies together to produce the highest quality Web3 experience. Even though Wolf Digital World scanning technology is still mostly employed in video games, music videos, and fashion, including the wildly popular Cyberpunk 2077 from CD Projekt Red, Everdome is now simply a concept. Everdome is currently worth $0.002267 US. Dome has moved 5.84% in the last 24 hours with a trading volume of $3,241,867. Everdome is currently ranked 2,675 amongst all cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $0 US. Everdome Price Prediction 2022. Everdome, according to some, is one of the most amazing cryptocurrencies to rise this year. The Dome price forecast for 2022 anticipates a significant increase in the year's second half, possibly reaching $0.003401. As with other cryptocurrencies, the rise will be gradual, but no considerable drops are expected. Averaging $0.003174 in price is quite ambitious, but it is feasible in the near future given anticipated collaborations and advancements. Dome is expected to have a minimum value of $0.002721. Everdome Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Everdome Price Prediction has much room for expansion. As a result of the potential announcements of numerous new partnerships and initiatives, we anticipate that the price of Dome will soon surpass $0.005668. However, we should wait to see if the Dome's relative strength index comes out of the oversold zone before placing any bullish bets. Considering the market volatility, Dome will trade with a minimum trading price of $0.004534 and an average trading price of $0.004988. Everdome Price Prediction 2024. If the upward trend continues until 2024, it could reach $0.007935 and Dome may profit. If the market experiences a decline, the goal may not be met. Dome is expected to trade at an average price of $0.007255 and a low of $0.006801 in 2024. Everdome Price Prediction 2025. If Everdome successfully boosts market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the Dome coin price could remain stable for the next 5 years. According to our projections, Dome will be green in 2025. The Dome is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual currency will be worth $0.010202, with a minimum price of $0.009068 and an average price of $0.009522. Everdome Price Prediction 2026. After some extensive forecasting and technical analysis, we estimate the Dome price is expected to cross an average price level of $0.011789 by 2026, with a minimum price of $0.011336 expected before the end of the year. Furthermore, Dome has a maximum price value of $0.012469. Everdome Price Prediction 2027. Due to the future partnerships that are expected to happen by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish trend will continue, bringing the average price to around $0.014056. If Dome manages to break the resistant level in 2027, we could see a maximum price of $0.014736. Failing to gather the support Dome needs by 2027 could result in a low of $0.013603. Everdome Price Prediction 2028. While Dome is striving towards interoperability between networks to hasten interaction, the bullish trend from the previous year is expected to continue. So the minimum trade price has been placed at $0.015887 and a yearly price close above $0.017003 in 2028. Everdome Price Prediction 2029. By 2029, Everdome will finally surpass its previous all-time high values and record new price levels. The minimum price could be $0.018137 and potentially reach a maximum price value of $0.01927, averaging out at $0.01859. Everdome Price Prediction 2030. In 2030, we are expecting cryptocurrency to have gained adoption across many sectors. As such, the maximum Dome price in 2030 is projected to be $0.022218 in the event of a bull run, with an average price level of $0.021311. Due to its innovations and underlying concepts, Everdome is one of the greatest coins that has caught the interest of seasoned investors. The project has all it requires to be successful in the future, thanks to a sizable investment in the currency and a skilled crew. We strongly advise you to do as much research as you can before making an investment. Additionally, keep an eye out for the most recent market predictions and trends.